the CEHF Blended Learning Course Health-Related Physical Fitness Assessment and Programme Design. This is lesson 11 and we're going to look at the component of fitness flexibility and specifically the sit and reach and the straight leg raise tests. The aim of this lesson is to provide the student with the knowledge of the sit and reach and straight leg raise tests in order to evaluate the flexibility of a client. The learning outcomes at the end of this lesson: you will be able to demonstrate good knowledge of test procedures, identify the muscle groups being tested, identify client suitability in each test, and provide appropriate feedback to the client based on the test results. So the first one we're going to look at is the sit and reach test. The component of fitness, as we said, is flexibility, and the muscle groups are the lower back and the hamstrings. Client suitability: this test is suitable for most clients except those with a history of low back problems. Test procedures then. Well, the equipment needed first of all is a sit and reach box and a recording sheet, and you can see the box here in the image. Specifically warm up and pre-stretch the low back and hamstrings before you get the client to do the test. Remove the shoes and place feet at the box where the 23 centimeters is at the level of the feet, as you can see here. Place one hand on top of the other and place on top of the box. Bend forward from the trunk, keeping the knees straight, and reach as far as possible up the box without using momentum. So nice and slowly reach as far as you can up the box without bending the knees. Give 3 attempts and record the best. And check the table for standards. Advantages of this test is that it's quick and easy to administer, and the limitations: it doesn't differentiate between low back and hamstring flexibility. Moving on then to the straight leg raise. The component of fitness again is flexibility, and the muscle group this time is the hamstrings. Client suitability: well, this test is suitable for most clients. Test procedure: equipment needed is an exercise mat. Warm up and pre-stretch the hamstrings. Lie flat on the mat, pressing lower back into the floor. Stabilize the leg that has not been lifted. Here's where the instructor comes in. So you're sitting beside the client and you must place one hand on the leg that has not been lifted in order to stabilize it. And before placing a hand on a client, you must ask their permission to touch. Passively lift the client's leg with knee straight to the point of tension. What a passive lift means is that the instructor is lifting the leg. The client is not actively stretching here. So it's the instructor that's lifting the leg up to the point of tension. And here's where your communication with the client is very important, because you will need the client to let you know when they have reached the point of tension so you don't overstretch the hamstring. When you've reached the point of tension, then you estimate the angle the leg makes with the floor, 90 degrees being straight and vertical, which indicates good hamstring length. So basically what you must imagine what's up against the wall here would be a protractor which measures angles. So 90 degrees here being very good hamstring flexibility, and down the way then, which would indicate poor hamstring flexibility. And checking the table in the manual for standards again. The advantages of this test: it's quick and easy to administer. And the limitations: it doesn't give an exact measurement, just an indication of hamstring length. In the next lesson, we're going to look at the alternate hand behind the back and hand behind the neck test and the Eli's test.